this is a fucking pain. This is a hard install. Hey guys, so it's a really beautiful day, and I think I'm going to take this opportunity to do another Luxe project. Now this is the headlights, and for those that have been following the channel, I did the taillights. Relatively easy install. And so what you're going to need is some kind of a heat gun. I used a hair dryer, it worked fine. And what actually comes with the Luxe package is 2 passenger side shades and a driver side. So do the passenger side first. This way you learn how to do it. If you mess up, you have a spare. And you get a microfiber towel, some cleaning spray, a razor, and then this is going to help you kind of get any bubbles or creases out when you're applying. You're also going to need kind of a cleaning, I use a wet rag, you know, but that is really the extent of what you need in order to complete this. I'm going to give it my maximum effort. We're going to see how it turns out. I absolutely love Luxe. I'm not exactly the best handyman in the world, so their products are usually really good. All right, so the first step would be clean the headlight. Even though I cleaned it already, we're gonna do it anyway, just cuz. Now remember, start off with the passenger side because you have an extra. And you're going to use this prep. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Got one chance. That's not true. You have 2 chances. So let's see how this goes. just got done with this one, the passenger side. It's not perfect, but this is definitely much more difficult than the taillights. That being said, you need a really good heat source, guys, especially once you go around this bend. That's when it gets really, really difficult. So, you know, keep in mind that this is much more difficult than doing a flat surface like your taillights or your, you know, whatever. So that bend has proven to be a very tricky part of this. So yeah, I actually had to use the second one because the first installation was awful. All right, now I just have to cut the excess and move on to the driver's side. Okay, so this is the final product. Now, my installation wasn't the greatest. I noticed a couple of, you know, mistakes on there, but you have to really get close to see it. That being said, still mistakes. So this is a lot harder than the taillight tint that I did. And the reason why is because of this headlight curve. When you are working with your taillights, everything is flat, you know? So this was so easy. It was simple, plug and play. If you're gonna do headlight tints, my recommendation is to make sure that you have a legitimate heat gun, not some little hair dryer, okay? You're gonna want to get the tint nice and hot, nice and warm, because when you have to do that curve, it really becomes a challenge. Overall, I love the look. It looks great. It looks very menacing. So that being said, I still, you know, I'm a little disappointed in my installation capability, but you know, what are you gonna do? I think it looks good though. I want to give a big shout out to Luxe. You know, they have some really cool stuff. I want to do another thing with Luxe. They have a taillight rally taillight or something like that. I was looking online. I always browse the Luxe website, see what's new, the latest and the greatest. But all right, guys, that's really it. That's what I have to report. I think it looks really cool. If you're gonna do it, make sure that you have a legitimate heat gun, because you will. I think it took me probably an hour and a half, 2 hours to do this, and had I had a real good heat gun, I think it would have cut it down and improved the overall installation. So, all right, there you go.